Hello everyone, my name is Fikri. I would like to presentation about final research next generation internet. So in here, we want to present project 5G, 6G, NFV, IoT, and conclusion. 4G, 5G, 6G. So 4G is a standard like LTE and WiMAX, and it can be support enabling high-speed data access, IP telephony, gaming, HD mobile TV, video conferencing, and so on. It will be support SDR made to allowing flexibility and adaptation in radio design. And the network architecture comprise UE, EU-TRAN, and EPC. So this is the basic LTE interface. If contains three types, which are EU, EU-TRAN, EPC, and then you want to involve to develop package communicate with package data network such the internet, private corporate network, and IP multimedia subsystem. And then it is 5G. So 5G same like 4G, but the advanced version, the significantly from the speed, reduce latency, and boost wireless service facility. So the maximum speed of 5G around 20 gigabytes per second. The connectivity improvement, this is emphasizing connectivity improvements throughout all IP platform, cloud computing, and nanotechnology. It can be operates on a IP-based model integrating multiple radio access technology with user terminal. So this is the 5G architecture IP-based. You can see that the architecture here. Okay, go to 6G network. So it can be the 6G is after 5G. The speed can be over 1 terabyte, and then the revolutionize. The goal is to revolutionize global connectivity, offering high-speed wireless access for multimedia, broadband, and its monitoring via satellite network. So the expectation can be advancement like presence generation, area awareness, AI-driven autonomous commuting. The feature like high-speed internet, satellite communication, and smart infrastructure. So this is the 6G architecture you can see here. Yeah, it's different like 5G. And then this is the specification for the 4G, 5G, and 6G. We can conclude that 4G to 5G is not very significant movement, but 5G to 6G is very, very significant. NFV. So in traditional computer network, network function such as NAT, traffic monitor, and firewall are deployed to dedicated hardware and named middle box. So one solution to limitation the traditional network is to adopt NFV and SDN. Is one to gaining increasing the ULLRA in 5G, 6G, IoT, and fixed line network. So what is the problem statement here? The ULLA RA in 5G, 6G, IoT in and line network. Networks providers should have optimal plan and abandoning SFC requests. Each SFC request need to transfer several VNF instance in predefined the order, and this routing like influence and the latency, reliability, and physical resource consumption. And then this is the system model for and current session. So this is the concept for the granite network topology. They have 8 nodes and 18 links. They are contain CDC nodes, switching nodes, and it is prioritized ULLRA as high priority SFG requests and other application as low priority SFC requests. And the reserved amount of physical resource for abandoning on the high priority SFC requests. And then the maximum tolerant end-to-end delay and reliability requirement. IoT. So IoT is the system can be involve computation, sensing, communication, and the connection between human, non-human, physical object decision making with organization. And then the concept of IoT is to establish pervasive and ubiquitous environment or IoT ecosystem like RFID tags, sensor and actuator, smartphone, and so on. And then this era IoT can be support like Amazon and Google. So we want to focus on the concept of IoT, architecture, new business model, and security and privacy issues with such as countermeasure and cyber security awareness in IoT threats. So this is the generic IoT architecture. They have three application, which is application layer. It can be it is intelligent computing technology like data mining, cloud computing, and so on. The transport layer, and the goal is to deal with network operation and sensing and connectivity layer. The goal is to responsible for collecting the data and information. So in here, IoT architecture structure, it have 5 layers also, five layers, which are perception layer is like physical object or sensor device like temperature sensor, pressure sensor, and so on. Second one is network layer, is to convey data and information from sensor device to information processing system. It is a transmission channel like wire or wireless. Middleware layers. This layer to responsible for the service management and has link to the database. The goal is to implement autonomous decision making process. And then application layer to provide global management of application like smart health, smart home, and so on. And last one, business layer. This layer to responsible for the management of overall IoT ecosystem like business model, graph, and flowchart, and so on. So how the IoT business model and IoT privacy and security can work. So in here, we can take the example like healthcare business model. So if we have a grandma or grandpa in our home, we can use the sensor business model. This business model, like we can check blood pressure, body pressure, put sensor, and so on. With just see the phone, and then the sensor will be go to router, and the router can be informed go to internet and inform to your phone and your application like computer or tablet, so on. And the next one is smart home business model. Yeah, if you want to see the condition, the home condition, our home condition like AC, TV, or washing machine, and so on, we can use a application smart home with just check with phone here, and the sensor can be work and go and take the the information go to your phone, something like that. And This IoT security privacy and awareness. So this program, the name is securing the Internet IoT of Things or IoT for its consumer. This one is published by Australian government in August 2020, and they have 13 principle. You can read in PPT one, and then we can go to conclusion. So 5G 5G 6G is the wireless mobile communication is rapidly growing industry. So 4G 5G 6G are the result of efforts to consolidate the many technologies into a single international standard. While 6G merge 5G with satellite network, 5G syncs to create a truly limitless wireless world. NFV. This one to investigate a novel and efficient SFC building algorithm, and then to minimize the latency and improve the reliability of ULRA with minimal side effect on other network service. And then formulate our optimization model name OARS in the form an ILP optimization model to obtain the optimal solution. Last one, IoT. This one to introduce about a paradigm shift that is radically changing way to doing business and by enabling enterprise to develop value add service. And then this network to their network automation and device to, and this one to improve their service business model. IoT security is not absolute and can be never be guaranteed. It's a process. For that reason, we should to undergo a thorough security risk identification and assessment that examines vulnerabilities. So that's all for my presentation, and thank you.